Hello children, in the previous class we have studied about subtraction of the numbers with the regrouping, means taking borrow from the tens place and adding it to the ones place, right? In that same we are solving today the story sums. The question will be given in the form of a sentence. You need to observe the numbers which are given in the sentence and you need to solve the subtraction with the regrouping only the change here is story sums. Let's see the exercise 7. First question. I will read out the question from the textbook. You have to see in your books. First question is, on her birthday, Simi bought a packet of 80 cookies. On her birthday, Simi bought a packet of 80 cookies. She distributed 36 cookies to her friends. How many are left with her? As I told, left word is there in the question, then of course it is a subtraction sum. If there is a left word in the question, it will be a subtraction sum. So which two numbers we are going to add here, subtract here? There are only two numbers in the question, that is 80 and 36. But you need to write sentence before solving the question. So Simi brought a packet of 80 cookies and she distributed 36 cookies. You can write Simi bought cookies. How many cookies she brought? She had brought 80 cookies. You can write tens and ones place. And she distributed. You can write Simi distributed. Distributed means she gave cookies to her friends. That is, how many cookies she has distributed? She has distributed 36 cookies. So what you need to find? Of course you need to write the symbol of the subtraction, which is a minus. Now what we have to write in the answer part, I mean the last third sentence. They have asked how many cookies are left with her. So you can write left cookies. Left cookies. Now subtract and tell me the answer. Subtract it. First you need to start with ones place number, that is 0 minus 6. From 0 you cannot subtract 6, right? So take the regrouping. 8 becomes, now you are perfect with regrouping. 8 becomes, very good, 7. 8 becomes 7. And that 1 you need to add to the ones place. So 0 becomes 10. 0 becomes 10, right? Now subtract 10 minus 6. 10 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 10 before, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. And 7 minus 3, again 7 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 7 before, 6, 5 and 4. So how many cookies are left with Simi now? There are 44 cookies left with Simi, right? Like this you need to write the story sum. Let's see the second question. Read out the second question. What they have given. In class 2 there are 46 girls and 38 boys. How many more girls are there? How many more is also a subtraction. So in class 2, what is the strength of the class 2? 46 46 girls and boys. Let's write number of girls and number of boys. Number of girls, number of boys, and what you need to find, how many more girls are there. So number of more girls, or you can write number of girls more in more in class. Number of the girls or more in class or more than boys, you can write number of girls more than boys. Now how many girls were there in the class? Yes, 46 girls were there, 38 boys are there, and you need to find how many are there girls more. So let's write tens place, ones place. Now do the regrouping. 4 becomes, yes, 3, and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8, as you can see 8 ones is 8, 8 twos is 16. So 16 minus 8 can be written as 8, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now tell me how many more girls are there compared to boys? 8 girls are more, right? There are 8 girls more in the class too compared to the boys. Coming to the next question. In a car park, there are 65 white cars and 58 red cars. How many less red cars are there? It is also similar to the second one. First you need to write number of white cars, number of red cars, and red cars less than white cars are. Let's solve the question. First sentence is number of white cars, right? Number of white cars. Second one is number of red cars. Alright, last, how many less red cars they are asking. So number of red cars less than white. So let's write how many white are there. How many white cars are there? See your textbook and tell me how many white cars? 65, right? How many red cars? 56. So red cars, how many less are there? Take the borrow. It becomes 5, and 5 becomes 15. Correct? Now 15 minus 6. You need to be fast in this. 15 minus 6. 15 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 15 to 4. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 5 is 0. How many less cars are there? Red color. It is, there are 9 red cars less than white cars. 9 red cars are less than white cars. Right? Now coming to the next one. Sonali has 86 stamps. Sonali has 86 stamps. 45 stamps are Indian stamps. How many are not Indian stamps? How many are not an Indian stamps? What will be the first sentence? Stamps with Sonali, Indian stamps. And last one, not an Indian stamps, right? Start writing. First Second one, number of Indian stamps. And number of stamps which are not Indian stamps. You can write number of Indian stamps or not an Indian stamps. Not an Indian stamp. Sonali was having 86 stamps, right? Tens place, ones place. Sonali is having 86 stamps. Out of 86, 45 are Indian stamps. 45 are Indian. Now, how many are not an Indian stamps you need to find out. Now, let's take the borrowing. 8 becomes 7. 6 becomes 16. Again 16 minus 5. In the last question we have already solved. 16 minus 5 is 9 and 7 minus 4 is 3. How many are not an Indian stamps? There are 39 not Indian stamps out of 86. So this is the stories of the fourth one. And fifth one, I will give it as a homework for you. There are 36 children in second C, means second standard C section. 86 children went for a class picnic. How many did not go? We need to solve that. That is 36 minus 28. After that we have how do we relate addition and subtraction. Addition also we have learned, subtraction also we have learned. Now how to relate the addition and subtraction? Let's see now. Suppose the question is 24 minus 16, or let's take a number which is not very good. 24 minus 12. 24 minus 30. What will be the answer for 24 minus 30? We need to subtract one's place. That is 14. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 11, right? This is a subtraction. We have done a subtraction here. 24 minus 13 is 11. How do we connect it to or relate it to addition means? First, we will write the answer. That is, we will write the answer 11. Here which is a smaller number, this is the greater number, this is the smaller number, and this is the answer. I will write here, this is the greater number, this is the greater number, this is the smaller number. Always we will do the subtraction greater minus smaller, and this is answer. How do we check that the answer we have got in the subtraction is correct or not? How do we check? Here it is. First we need to take the answer. If you add answer and the smaller number, if you add answer and smaller number, answer is 11 and smaller number is 13. Answer is 11 and smaller number is 13, right? You need to add these two numbers. 1 plus 3 will get 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. Is this your greater number? See, greater number is 24, right? We have got 24 here answer. So then what you have got subtraction answer is correct answer. This is the way you check the addition and subtraction, and this is how they will relate both addition and subtraction. What we have to do here is answer plus smaller number we have to do. If you get greater number after doing the addition, then your answer is correct answer. In this way there is a relation between addition and subtraction. Let's see the exercise where you have these kind of questions. The last exercise, exercise number 8. Exercise number 8. Subtract and check the answer. Subtract and check the answer. First one, 18 minus 30. Tell me what is the answer for 18 minus 13. 8 minus 3 will be getting 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. The greater number is 18, smaller number is 13, and the answer is 5. To check what we have to do, for checking answer plus smaller number, right? The answer is 5, smaller number is 13. If you add this, you should get the greater number. 5 plus 3 is 8, 0 plus 1 is 1. This is your greater number, right? This is your greater number. So what you have done, the subtraction is a correct one. The subtraction is a correct one. In this way, we solve another one. Second one, 76 minus 4. 76 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, right? 7 minus, here nothing is there. 7 minus, the number is not given, so you can add it as a 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. 676 minus 4 will get 72. Let's check the answer. How to check? 72 is the answer, and smaller number is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. We have got 76 and 76, so the answer is right. So solve the next problems. I will give next problems as a homework. Why? Because it will be a recall to subtract and addition. Addition was a previous class. You may have forgotten that. By doing this, you can also recall the addition. So remaining 4 questions are homework, and in the next class, let's start with the new chapter. This is for today. I hope you all understood the topics. And solve the extra questions which are given in the textbook. That is page number 46 and 47. Page number 46 and 47, you are having the extra questions. Solve it in your textbook so that you will be perfect in all the topics. Okay children, see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.